Not the best Monday I've ever had, I do have to say that, but honestly, it's tough to complain. It's tough to complain. 2020 went out, I don't even know what you'd say, just like a 6-year-old having a tantrum. That is what it felt like. My home was completely destroyed on December 27th, vandalized to a degree that it will not be livable for a long time. They did damage trees in the garden. That was the worst part about it. Almost all of the trees they damaged were significant trees. They will be non-recoverable. But I have to be really honest. Things are not bad. Things are pretty doggone good. And here's why. Let me just tell you why, okay? 2021, entering our 11th year, second decade. The fact that Mirai started as a business that did not have necessarily a demand in the market, if you will, or a reason to succeed, and yet the community that's formed around us has supported us, has empowered us, and has allowed us to be successful. Second decade, amazing because of the community out there. I feel so thankful for that. Just on like a super personal level, life's never been better. It's like, it's awesome. Mirai is here, my son is doing great, my general outlook on life, despite copious quantities of rain, is fantastic. And so, material things can be regenerated, rebuilt, but you cannot duplicate ideas, you can't duplicate passion, you can't duplicate inspiration, you can't duplicate originality. And I think Mirai is destined and bound for good things. In 2021 and the beginning of our second decade, I can't wait. Beyond that, on a more simple, straightforward, we're building benches in the greenhouse. Generator went in today, at least it was set today. And this tree is in the workshop. I have my hands on it, which means I'm already starting to accomplish some of my goals for 2021, which is get back to doing what I love to do, which is making really kick-ass trees. We have so much good stuff in store for you guys. The change of the new year has brought an entirely new perspective. Even though it's such an arbitrary day, at least it's a marker to re-begin, right? And we have begun, and I am pumped for Mondays at Mirai. There we go.
This Monday at Mirai, how to make a latte.
How to make a latte. Today on Mirai, barista skills. See, so if I had the correct pour, I would pour into that. Actually, we're not even gonna try for latte art, Lani.
That's okay.
That's okay. All right, there you go. That might be a lowly amount. Maybe you need 2 of those, huh?
I'm happy.
Okay.
Bing.
That is so delicious. Doggone it, that's good. That is really good. Ouch.
You need help, or you all right?
Well, just step on this.
Come step on it. I'm happy to offer rudimentary support.
And I'm clean here. With the exit of the big leaf maple comes the entry of the generator, which is of utmost importance because La Nina is coming to fruition, which means not just a ton of rain, which we have had. We had an inch overnight, but abnormally cold and abnormally windy conditions. So all of these things mean probably a loss of power, and probably a loss of power when it's the coldest, which definitely necessitates proactivity. And a generator is that. Okay, look at that thing of beauty.
It's really pretty.
Goodness gracious, isn't it though?
Yeah.
Yeah, really pretty.
Did not think I would think a generator would be beautiful.
Yeah, no, there's definitely some unexpecteds in this whole thing. Beautiful generator. Nobody expects that, but it is really beautiful. It is really beautiful.
Success.
Ta-da! Yeah, good.
Yeah.
It's good. New generator at Mirai. Bam.
Woo-hoo.